Music therapy has been an established healthcare profession since 1950. It is the clinical and evidence-based use of music interventions to accomplish individualized goals within a therapeutic relationship by a credentialed professional. So, what does that mean? What do music therapists actually do? Music is used within a therapeutic relationship to address the various strengths and needs of individuals. Functional outcomes may include movement, developmental, mood management, communication, or behavioral goals. After thorough assessment of each client, the music therapist provides the indicated treatment, including creating, singing, moving to, and listening to music. Now, you may be thinking, I can't do music therapy, I'm not a musician. But music therapy can be appropriate for individuals of all ages, ranging from infants as young as those in the NICU to children, adolescents, adults, and older adults. One of the reasons music therapy can be so effective for so many different populations is because music experiences engage numerous centers in the brain, including those associated with movement and coordination, executive function, language, and sensory integration. Music also activates several other structures in the brain that are associated with emotional experiences, communication between the left and right hemispheres, the reward circuitry, and basic body functions. This whole brain experience contributes to the potential benefit of music therapy treatment for a variety of individuals. Some of these individuals may be living with autism, brain injury, Parkinson's disease, or might be a part of a support group. Music therapy can also be effective for community building.
So here you see that 20.5 million deaths occur across the globe every year because of cardiovascular diseases, and stroke and heart diseases, they are the topmost. And here you can see that most of the risk factors people are not controlling. That's why the heart disease is on the rise. And recently, after the onset of COVID, there was a 29.9% increase in the sudden heart attack deaths in the young population between 25 to 44 years. Every day you see on the TV that so-and-so person was going to the gym for 3 hours and suddenly he died, apparently looking so fit. So why this was happening is that we are not focusing on the prevention at all. But as you see the ECG, so as a doctor, when I became a doctor, I became a cardiovascular surgeon. This is the sound which we were most familiar with, the sound of the monitor. And then cardiovascular diseases, they have progressed a lot. And then suddenly you hear such sounds which are an alarm that the patient is about to collapse. So first, when I was a student, people used to have heart attacks, medical management was done, and patients used to die. Either they used to survive or they died. There was no interventions. But then interventions came, cardiovascular surgery came, bypass surgery, stenting, everything came, and it advanced. And heart attack patients, so now we do off-pump surgery in these patients, and the patient goes home after 4 or 5 days. So there has been a remarkable change, and then we shifted to the endovascular conduit harvesting, then video-assisted surgeries. I went to US in 2009 to train in robotic surgery. So robotic cardiac surgery also came into existence. But after all that, at the same time, the ICU monitoring also improved a lot. And here you can see, this is the sound we hear in the ICU. And lot of patients, they are very sick, but they recover. But then we realize that over a period of time, there are few patients who used to get stuck in the ICU. And there were studies which showed that if we use music, then the inotropic requirement, inotropes are the drugs which are required to increase the blood pressure. So inotropic requirement used to decrease and the patient used to recover faster. And also at the same time, we started focusing on the heart sounds also. And there were studies where they correlated the heart sound with music. And here you can see one.
This is an ECG recording.
He's a cardiologist. They showed the rhythm of the heart. And they played the rhythm along with the piano. The piano replicated the rhythm of the heart.
Atrial fibrillation activity, irregular.
It has been seen that as you the kind of music you listen to, it also affects your heartbeat. So you have to be very careful in choosing what kind of music you have to listen to, because it can affect your heartbeat. It can either regularize your heartbeat or it can cause arrhythmia. Particular kind of music, it can precipitate convulsions also.
The white beats were set to chunky chords.
So here we have set the heartbeat with the music. So then this is the journey of life. So our life starts after birth, and after that we have to take precautions. So most of the people, they wonder at what stage we should take the precautions. So if you start taking precaution at a young age, so this is known as primordial prevention, because the risk factors have not come and you can control the onset of the disease and the progression of the disease from that time. After that comes the next stage, primary prevention, when already you have a risk factor. Somebody has started smoking, somebody has become obese, somebody is having stress. So at that time again you have to control that. In the next stage is the medical management. But before medical management, there is a stage where without giving medication, we can use the unconventional therapies. And music therapy is one of the unconventional therapies which can be given to prevent the progression of the disease, the onset of the disease. And then in the stage of intervention. So here you can see that most of the people today, they only go to the hospital for any intervention. They have a heart attack, they go to the hospital. But if I tell you that you take precautions, I think most of you would be laughing at me. But today, through music only, I will tell you that what is important for our life. And once you get an intervention done, then also you need rehabilitation so that you can recover well and go back to your normal activity. And after that, you have the secondary prevention so that you don't get the heart attack again. So how music can be used in all these stages, that's what I am going to tell you today. Lot of evidences have now started coming on the cardiovascular applications of music also, which are published in journals, published mostly abroad. Most of the people in India have not done studies on cardiovascular, but we were few people who started studying. Since 2 decades we have been using music. Initially we used to just put on some music during the high risk surgery. So I used to tell ki inotropes laga do. So हमारे anesthetists, they used to start adrenaline or adrenaline. I said nahi, आप ये particular music लगाओ, because that particular music is having an effect like an inotrope. So हमारे को noradrenaline, adrenaline लगाने की जरूरत कम पड़ती थी और patient used to have a very good outcome. So this was practically seen in our operation theatres. And then initially people used to think that music से सिर्फ prevention हो सकती है, stress relief हो सकती है और उससे हमारा जो है treatment नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन today I can emphasize that it can be used even for treatment and early recovery. उसमें people saw कि उन्होंने देखा कि heart rate कम हो जाता है अगर particular kind of music लगाते हैं, या BP जो है improve हो जाता है. So then we studied the autonomic nervous system, which has parasympathetic and sympathetic. So जब हमको when we need to increase the sympathetic activity, हमको अगर patient का blood pressure बढ़ाना है, उसका heart rate बढ़ाना है, then we have to use a kind of music which has sympathetic effect. And when हमको patient का relax करना है, उसका heart rate slow down करना है, तो हमको parasympathetic effect लेना है. So after the end of my talk, we are going to practically do all this, all the exercises. So here I'll show you one more effect of music. Like there was a child, was a young teenager, and he was about to die. So what the parents did, and they combined it with the favorite, they recorded the heartbeat of the patient and combined with the favorite music of the child. And then they preserve that as memories and as if the child has become immortal for them. So here you can listen to it. can hear the heartbeat of the child in the background.
I've looked forward to talking about this, and to me, this is something in this whole process that has been positive. Brian was able to use a stethoscope microphone and record my son's heartbeat. To be able to have that and carry that around on my phone, it's his heartbeat. You know what I mean? I can listen to his heartbeat.
So here I'll just show you a video where we see how with a particular kind of music we can stimulate the brain, and the brain then sends signal to the heart so that the heart also responds in a particular way. So people used to think that only classical music is good for music therapy, but we have so many learned people here, so maybe we can learn few tips from them. So you have so many learned talks today, but I am not a musician, but whatever effect of music I have seen in my practical life, in the management of cardiovascular system as well as my life, I will share with you. So here then we saw that we have to use music at all stages of life, not only just when the patient falls ill. And I'll show you a short trailer of the movie that we made, because we were really worried about why young people are dying suddenly. So I made a short movie, and it was nominated for several film festivals, and I was even awarded as a best director. And one of my movie, it was selected for WHO. There's a Health for All film festival, and my movie will be released after April, because the festival is in April. So it has been selected in universal viewing category. So here I'll show you a short trailer.
ये एक ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जिसके बारे में कोई सोच नहीं रहा, लेकिन हम डेली ये देख रहे हैं कि यंग लोग जो हैं हमारे पास आते हैं हार्ट डिजीज़ लेके। बहुत सारे लोग अपनी ज़िंदगी से भी हाथ धो बैठते हैं। ये चीज़ अवॉइडेबल है।
Without saying a word, we can convey so many emotions just with the help of the right kind of music. So here I'll give you a few tips, and then we go to the final exercise. One is that when we tell youngsters, they don't listen to us, that they need to take care of the precautions and they don't need to do the prevention. So मैंने उसके लिए एक वो सॉन्ग उसके लिए डिवोट किया है कि जो आपके प्रिवेंशन है, दैट इज लाइक अ व्हील, जैसे घूंघट होता है। अगर आप घूंघट लगा लोगे तो बुरी नजर से बच जाओगे। तो बुरी नजर क्या है? हमारे रिस्क फैक्टर। और अगर हम किसी को बोलते हैं कि घूंघट लगा लो, तो आजकल कोई लगाना नहीं चाहता है यंगस्टर, तो उसके लिए पर्टिकुलर सॉन्ग है।
अरे यार मेरी तुम भी हो गजब, घूंघट तो जरा ओढ़ो। आह मानो कहा अब तुम हो जवां, मेरी जान लड़कपन छोड़ो।
जब मेरी चुनरिया मलमल की, फिर क्यों न फिरूं झलकी झलकी।
अरे यार मेरी तुम भी हो गजब, घूंघट तो जरा ओढ़ो। आह मानो कहा अब तुम हो जवां, मेरी जान लड़कपन छोड़ो।
यंगस्टर बोलते हैं कि हम क्यों रिस्क फैक्टर कंट्रोल करें, अभी तो हम यंग हैं, अभी तो हमको एंजॉय करना है। तो मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि टू एंजॉय यू डोंट हैव टू पुट योर लाइफ एट रिस्क। यू कैन डू इट विद अदर मीन्स, एंड म्यूजिक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट विल हेल्प यू इन फाइंडिंग आउट गुड methods to de-stress yourself. अब एक और मैं आपको बात बताऊंगा, जो आजकल यंगस्टर्स बिल्कुल भी फिजिकली एक्टिव नहीं है, लेकिन जो हमारी गाइडलाइंस हैं वो ये बोलती है कि एटलीस्ट 30 मिनट्स अ डे यू हैव टू वॉक, एटलीस्ट 5 days a week। लेकिन हम नहीं करते। वॉकिंग से हमारा रिस्क जो है ऑलमोस्ट 59% कम हो जाता है हार्ट डिजीज होने का। तो हम सिंपल वॉक नहीं करते, तो आपको मोटिवेट करने के लिए टू वॉक।
चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल। चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल। हे पर्वत पुकारे आ मेरे प्यारे, हे पर्वत पुकारे आ मेरे प्यारे। पीछे न रह आगे निकल, चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल। ओ पर्वत पुकारे आ मेरे प्यारे, गाओ पीछे न रह आगे निकल, चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल। La 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 hey। जैसे हवा चलती है, जैसे घटा चलती है, ऐसे तू चलना सीख ले। हवा चलती है, जैसे घटा चलती है, ऐसे तू चलना सीख ले। रस्ते रस्ते चलते चलते गिर जाए तो गिर के संभल। चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल। ओ पर्वत पुकारे आ मेरे प्यारे, बोलो पीछे न रह आगे निकल, चल साथी चल, चल साथी चल, चलता जाए हर एक पल।
How many of you recognize this person? Devanin. So hats off to him. At 89 he was still working hard and he used to climb mountains, and when I met him he told me that I love mountains a lot, and most of his movies, the songs were excellent. Even today we listen to those songs rather than listening to the new songs. So he motivated us to love nature. So if we go to a park, if we do a walk, we are going to have a parasympathetic stimulation, and that is good for the heart. So another thing that we have seen is nowadays lot of youngsters, they have heart breaks. हो रहे हैं या नहीं हो रहे? हो रहे हैं ना? तो हार्ट ब्रेक में क्या होता है कि there is a terminology, they called it Takotsubo cardiomyopathy। तो उस डिजीज में क्या होता है कि youngsters they come to us, more common in females, with symptoms that replicate heart disease. Heart disease की symptoms होते हैं, but actually when we do all the tests, everything, the reports are okay. But even some changes they are seen in the echo in the heart, which probably indicate towards heart disease. The heart becomes dilated and pumping is affected. Patient has palpitations, shortness of breath. And then we used to wonder कि इनको youngster को कैसे हो रहा है ये problem. Then on digging the history, we came to know कि उनको कोई हार्ट ब्रेक हुआ है. So कहते हैं ना कि जब दिल टूटता है तो दिमाग पे भी असर होता है. It can be because of loss of some loved one, or maybe loss of some family member, or it can be because of loss of your boyfriend or girlfriend. But luckily, people have to learn how to get out of it, because many people they go into depression, they have suicide, and then they have many other problems. Heart disease भी हो सकती है permanently, but if we treat it properly. फिर ये था कि जब इंसान का दिल टूटता है तो कैसे गाने सुने, कोई सजेस्ट कर सकता है कैसे गाने सुनने चाहिए? क्योंकि अगर उनको पैपी सॉन्ग सुनाओ तो उनको अच्छा नहीं लगता. दे थिंक पीपल आर मेकिंग फन ऑफ अस. तो ये सॉन्ग उसके लिए डेडिकेटेड है. ये गर्लफ्रेंड दूसरी कार में जा रही है.
ये दिल दीवाना दीवाना है. ये दिल दीवाने ने मुझको भी कर डाला दीवाना. मैंने उसके शहर को छोड़ा, उसकी गली में दिल को तोड़ा, फिर भी सीने में धड़कता है ये दिल. मैंने दिल से उसे निकाला, जो ना करना था कर डाला, फिर भी याद उसी को करता है ये दिल. ये दिल है दीवाना दीवाना है ये दिल.
ये एक्सरसाइज है, आपके स्क्रीन पे वर्ड्स आएंगे. यू हैव टू सिंग अलोंग विद मी एंड यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मूवमेंट. आप ये कर सकते, चुटकी बजा सकते हो, क्लैप कर सकते हो, बीट को रेप्लिकेट करना है. ठीक है? और जब मैं हाथ यूं हिलाऊं तो आपने हाथ की मूवमेंट करनी है. एवरीबडी इज रेडी? चलो भूल के गाना है किसी ने? एवरीबडी यू ऑन द स्पीकर्स. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, आवाज नहीं आ रही. बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फजूल था, बर्बादियों का शौक मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था, मनाना फजूल था. बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, बर्बादियों का जश्न मनाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा. अब हमने नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग अपने दिल को थोड़ा चैन देने के लिए गाना है. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन, ओ मेरे दिल थोड़ा जोर से गाना पड़ेगा आपको, यंगस्टर्स के लिए ये सॉन्ग। यहाँ वहाँ सारे जहाँ में तेरा राज है, यहाँ वहाँ सारे जहाँ में तेरा राज है। जवानी ओ दीवानी तू जिंदाबाद, जवानी ओ दीवानी तू जिंदाबाद। तेरे ही तो सर पे मोहब्बत का ताज है, तेरे ही तो सर पे मोहब्बत का ताज है। जवानी ओ दीवानी तू जिंदाबाद, जवानी ओ दीवानी तू जिंदाबाद। अब ये जवानी में जिंदाबाद तो हो गया, लेकिन आपको एक प्लेज लेना लास्ट में। प्लेज क्या है? आपको मेरा साथ देना है और अब जोर से गा के बताना है कि तुम आप मेरे साथ हो, ठीक है? हे 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 हो हो, तुम साथ हो जब अपने दुनिया को दिखा देंगे, हम मौत को जीने के अंदाज सिखा देंगे। तुम साथ हो जब अपने दुनिया को दिखा देंगे, हम मौत को जीने के अंदाज सिखा देंगे। आप लोग गा नहीं रहे क्या? मैं ठीक नहीं गा रहा हूँ या गाना अच्छा नहीं है? एक बार तो दिखा दो कि आप मेरे साथ हो। माना के अंधेरों के गहरे हैं बहुत साए, पर गम है यहाँ किसको आती है तो रात आए। हम रात के सीने में एक शम्मा जला देंगे, तुम साथ हो जब अपने दुनिया को दिखा देंगे, हम मौत को जीने के अंदाज सिखा देंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और लास्ट में आपसे गुजारिश है, we have a YouTube channel, you can also subscribe, डॉक्टर दीपक बुगरी नाम से। अपनी सुस्ती निदान करो और थोड़ी सी मस्ती उधार ले लो। और दिस इज व्हाट इज म्यूजिक थेरेपी, प्रैक्टिस इट एवरी डे। थैंक यू सो मच।